So today we're in LANTA, Thailand, and we're going to learn how to make Panang Curry. Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 4 of our 5-part cooking series here in Thailand. Today we're back at the Sukho Cuisine Cooking School. Don't forget, if you haven't already checked out our other episodes where we took you on a tour of a Thai food market, taught you how to make fresh spring rolls, and don't forget how to make an authentic pad thai. Now let's head back to the kitchen and gather our ingredients to get this Panang Curry started. First, let's prepare our coconut mixture by adding thick coconut milk, water, fish sauce, and some palm sugar and dissolving it all together. Then let's finely chop our garnishes by rolling the kaffir lime leaves and chopping them very, very thinly. If you don't have these, you can go ahead and use just regular lime leaves as well. Now for our peppers, let's remove the seed and core of the red chili, and then let's finely chop it as well. The thinner and finer that you slice it, the easier it will be to go ahead and create the curry paste later. Don't forget guys, all of the ingredients and the full recipe can be found in the description down below. Take all of the finely chopped ingredients and place them into the mortar and pestle. Once everything is in, we're going to go ahead and pound it until smooth paste has been formed. You don't want to actually stir this, you want to pound it with a vertical motion. And just twist the mortar and pestle around, and you can keep going that way until everything is going to be very, very fine. This whole process will take you about 10 minutes to get it very, very fine, and you're going to see that all the little fibers are actually going to be broken down and it'll be a nice smooth consistency. After everything is all smoothed out, let's go ahead and add some vegetable oil to a pan and put it on a medium heat. Once the oil is hot, we're going to go ahead and transfer this paste and dump it into the pan and give it a nice little fry. At this point, all we're going to do is give it a nice mix until everything is nicely combined. Next, we're going to add the thick coconut mixture that we created, and we're going to be pouring about 1/3 of the total amount at a time. So add it slowly, mix it in until it gets dry, and then keep adding the next piece. The mixture should get nicely golden and thick like this. Once the sauce is all incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add the chicken and mix it as well. Now it's time to add the thin coconut mixture and slowly mix all that in together. Once it has reduced down, we're going to add in the Thai basil leaves. Let's give it a little taste test. Yeah, it's pretty good. If you wanted to increase the heat of the dish, now's the time that you can go ahead and add some more chili into it. And that's it guys. The hardest part here is making that paste and pounding it out to a smooth consistency. Once we got everything ready, we're going to go ahead and put this into a nice bowl and it's going to be ready to serve. Don't forget to garnish. Presentation is always key here. So we can garnish it with a little bit of the chilies and a little bit of the kaffir lime leaves and a little Thai basil. Serve with a little bit of white rice on the side and you're good to go. Stay tuned for next week when we show you how to make one of Thailand's most famous desserts, the mango sticky rice. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button as it would greatly help us out on our YouTube algorithm. If you want to continue to follow our culinary adventure, please subscribe to the channel as we're going to be posting videos on here weekly. And as always, dish it all out in the comments as we really want to hear from you. Let us know what recipes you'd like us to cover and what you need help with in the kitchen. So, see you on the next one.